What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today we are going to dive deeper into a product that I received not too long ago.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
If you haven't seen my initial unboxing of a bunch of the JV Pro USA stuff that I got, go check that out. I'll leave a card up on the top. You can click that link. But we're gonna dive deeper into one of the tools that they sent, and that is gonna be, by the thumbnail you've seen, the color enhancement kit. So this is a professional and compact. Well, I'll show you guys the box here. So as you can see here, professional and compact JV barbering, cordless airbrush on the side. You have the 50 minutes of runtime, fine mist, ergonomic design on the back side here. Please do not disassemble and modify this product by yourself to avoid failure, so keep it stock. Airbrush, 2 cups, 5 milliliter, 20 milliliter, Type-C USB cable, USB power adapter. Yes, that is key right there. A lot of places aren't including the box right now. So happy to see that the box is included with the charger. So that's everything that comes inside the box. Here's a breakdown of a diagram of the actual tool. So you have the 5 milliliter aluminum cup, which could swap out to the 20 milliliter. You have the operation lever here, which allows you to spray the mist out. You have an adjusting screw on this back end to adjust the nozzle or the actual needle inside. This was the spray mouth or your nozzle. On and off button here in the center. And then you have your charging port down here at the bottom. This is a cordless airbrush, usage, single action, air pressure, max 18 to 25 PSI. Battery is a lithium ion, 3.7 volt, 1600 milliamps. Nozzle diameter is 0.4 millimeters. Charge time 1 to 2 hours, 5 volt, runtime 50 minutes. Charge is red, full power is green. So that is all that right there. On the bottom we don't have no branding, but we're gonna go ahead and open this box up and let you see the actual tool. So let's open up the box here and see what goodies we got inside. So there it is. I'm gonna pop this bad boy open. Our charger was at the bottom, the box for the power cord. So your Type-C charger goes in there, and that goes in the power outlet like y'all already know, I'm sure. And then we have the actual cups here. So you have the 20 milliliter and the 5 milliliter on the inside. And then we have our air compressor, and then we have the actual nozzle. So we're gonna screw all this stuff on and make sure it's charged up before my first client of the day gets here, and we're gonna use some color enhancement on him and get him taken care of. What's good, everybody? We got the air compressor here. We're screwing on that nozzle on the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy all put together so we could use it for our client. Very easy step-by-step how to put it on. There's like 3 different pieces, and that's all you need. Now breaking it down and cleaning is another video, but we'll get to that later. But we're screwing on that 5 milliliter bowl and putting it into the top of the nozzle. And then once we do that, everything is put together. We take out the little plastic piece in front of the nozzle. We're gonna use our JV Pro Black Airbrush Dye, as you could see here. The box did come with 2 different colors that I got sent from JV Pro. But these are sold separately on their website, and you can find them at JV Pro USA on IG. But you see all the instructions on the back there, all the description back there. And then we have the JV Pro Brown Airbrush Dye. So these are the 2 that we are using, and for my specific client in this video, we are going to be using the black dye because his hair is a darker color. So that is the 2 tools. That is the tool. That is the 2 dye colors, and this is a card used to create a barrier for your color enhancement when you are placing it on your client. So let's get to the demonstration portion of this video. All right, everybody, so we got a new product in from JV Pro, as you can see there, JV Barbering. We're gonna use this air compressor with the color enhancement that they have. JV Barbering Black Airbrush Dye Semi-Permanent. So you gotta shake it up really good before you put it in the actual bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and use this tool they got here to use for the lineup right there. So I'm gonna throw this in here, and then we'll get to it. So just a couple drops in this bad boy will go a long way. So keep that in mind when using this product. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy. Oh shoot, over here, better throw the camera down. All right, let's turn it on. There we go. Then you have your little lever here. Gonna put this right on the edges of the pencil and then spray our color enhancement. I like to start from the top and then work my way out so we can create a darker line right there. A little bit darker at the top, pull out, boom, there you go. And then we'll go ahead and attack this beard line right here. Just a light line because there's not a lot of hair. It's growing in, but boom, something slight, something light, just to give it a little bit more darkness and contrast for my client here. But that'll do it right there. And I'll show you the after we edge this up. I'll show you what it looks like when that's blended in and not so harsh. There it is, JV Pro. There is the final product. You can see not too heavy. Went light on the color enhancement, but it does create a very, very different contrast on the cut. I dig it. Go follow JV Pro USA on IG.